We are currently in Washington, D.C., and we are going to show you a tour of a Hampton Inn and Suites that we are staying in case you are looking for a spot to stay in Washington, D.C.
Technically Crystal City.
Crystal City, correct. But I don't think we'll get checked in yet, so this video will probably be several different shots throughout the day, because if we can't get checked in, we won't come back until nighttime to give you a room tour, but we will do our best. So that's what we're gonna show you in this video, is the Hampton Inn. Let's go check it out. So like she mentioned, this Hampton Inn is in Crystal City. We're right here off Richmond Highway and 20th Street. I think the actual address is like Arlington Ave or something, but we're gonna do our best to show you around. Now, you can't go to the parking garage first. You have to pull up here and just park up front and go inside, and they give you a parking permit is what they said. And as we enter, that's something to make note of. The front doors will be locked from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., just so you know. This is what the lobby looks like. They do have an ATM in here. Nice area that you can sit in to eat breakfast at, because they do have free breakfast. They've got some coffee here. 6 to 10 daily for breakfast. So we'll have to check that out one of the times. Here's the door I just came in. There's the front desk. Here is the shuttle service. And here is the tastiest perk. They do have this treats shop open 24 hours a day. So that's nice. If you're hungry anytime today, you can come to the treats shop. Prices. They do have a printer out here, and they have some plug-ins and then some books you could read. Here are the elevators to get to the room. We're gonna head this way. There's restrooms, fitness room, meeting rooms. Fitness center, 6 a.m. to 11:59. And then the boardrooms and meeting rooms are that way. But decent fitness room here. Then you do have restrooms right here. Main lobby that way. And this is what those boardrooms look like. So something else to make note of is the guest laundry is on the 3rd floor. I also don't think there's a pool at this hotel. Now we are here at like 11:30, and check-in is not until 4. So to show you the whole video, we're gonna have to come back, which might be nighttime. We'll come back at night, show you the room, because we're gonna go out and about today. But it's a typical Hampton Inn. But if you're looking for a place to stay, at least you'll know what this one's like. It is a chilly day today, but the hotel's located right next to this Hilton Garden Inn. And here's the parking garage, which it says it's $33 a day to park, but that's the only parking they do have at this hotel. Now, even though it is $33 a night, you're in Washington, D.C., so price of parking is going to be expensive. But look, you are in a gated, covered spot, which makes it really nice. And there is an elevator right here to go back to the lobby. And that elevator takes us right next to where we came in. They also have a shuttle that you can take, but we will not be taking it. So as promised, we have made it back when it's dark out to the Hampton Inn. So we will get our luggage and show you what the room looks like. And again, this elevator right next to the main entrance is what'll take you down to the parking garage. All right, we are heading up the elevator to our room. We are at 405, so this way. Now I do have an ice machine right here. And we're gonna be right here at 405. All right, so we brought all of our luggage up. We're gonna show you a tour of the room. Nice closet. A safe down there. And 2 queen beds. What's that, just thing to put your shoes and then a drawer also? A microwave, plug-ins and USBs, plug-ins. Lots of drawers here. Is this the fridge?
Netflix is on the remote.
Oh, Netflix is on the remote. And then obviously we'll have to film tomorrow if we can see anything, but I don't think there's really any of a view. And then this is what it looks like this way. So it's pretty nice. Then if we look at the restroom, I like that mirror. Hand soap, lotion there. Of course, the toilet. And then the shower. You got conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. Honestly, one thing I really love about these rooms, it has the soap up over here so it's not on the counter getting all nasty. Now, since we are here later, we'll pick up this video in the morning, show you the breakfast, and then we'll wrap up the video. So stay tuned. It's the next day. Here is the view from the room. As far as the room goes, the bed was good, the shower was good. Forgot to do a bed test last night because we were so tired. It's also like 0.3 miles away from the closest metro. We still have to show you breakfast sometime. Now breakfast closes at 10. It's like 9:45, so they may not have a lot of stuff out right now. So they do have some stuff still out, which is good. We've got waffles, some juices, scrambled eggs, potatoes, bacon, cereal, oatmeal, yogurt, coffee. It's a pretty big area. And then some breads and fruits. So you can see it's almost 10 o'clock and it really slows down since it closes. It was good though. I do think we will show you the walk to the metro, so if you're staying here, you know how to get there. It is another cold and windy day, but to get to the metro, walk across the street, and then we'll walk over that way and show you. It's just right on down there. In order to get to the metro, like I just mentioned, we are going to cross. Oh, we have a walk. 20th Street South and Richmond Highway. Cross over here. Next, you cross 20th Street. It might look different though when this construction's done, because I think you can cross over there, but right now you can't. So we're gonna cross this way. Now there is a parking garage right here, but we're gonna walk right around that. Now a secret we found, if it's cold out and you don't wanna be walking in the elements, you can actually go in this Marriott, take the elevator down one level, and then you can walk through the mall area. Woohoo! And then once you enter, if you head left and come around this way, you can take these elevators down to the garage level, which has the underground shops. And then that takes you right here, which you're inside walking. And then this is your walk inside the shops here, where it's nice and warm. The sign said going back that the Marriott is locked 24 hours a day and you need a key, so you can actually cut through the parking garage and still be inside. We're heading toward the metro and we're just in these shops, this underground mall, if you will. It's pretty cool, although there's like no one in here. And if you continue that walk through the stores, you come upon the metro. All right, I think we're gonna call it for the stay at the Hampton Inn here in Crystal City in Washington, D.C. We looked, there is no pool, so that might be an issue for some families if they want to have pool time. Free breakfast every day, so that's a good perk. As far as price goes, It's pretty expensive, but everywhere is. My dad was able to use some of his points, so that helped. As far as parking, $33 a day, but you don't ever have to worry about your car. The rooms, very quiet. Bed was comfortable. Clean, shower was good. Really have no complaints. And it's also close to the metro, which is nice. But if you're looking for a place to stay, I'd recommend this one. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.